Right, good morning, welcome back. Okay, today I want to strip the whole back end of this bike out. Well, at least all the parts you can see there. The exhaust, because it's in the way and I want to replace it in the future. The swing arm, because it's steel and it's rusty and I want to repaint it. And at the same time, check, clean, re-grease, and if necessary, replace the bearings. The short link, exactly the same. Check, clean, re-grease, and if necessary, replace the bearings. And the shock itself. Now, there's no upgrade options for this bike for that shock absorber, but I'm hoping, like the wheels and the engine, that that's an F650 BMW shock. And if it is, once I've checked the spec, then I've got loads of upgrade options. Anyway, that's a lot of chat. Let's get all the back end out and start looking at it. Lovely, lovely. Right. Awesome. Okay, today's been revealing to say the least. First of all, yes, that's a BMW shock. It's got a propeller badge and a part number. So I can order that, I can just find out exactly what that is, and I've got all sorts of aftermarket options. Same goes for all the bearings as well. The swing arm bearings, the short link bearings, they will be BMW as well. So I'll order a full set of those for wherever that is from. And then I'll be able to replace them. It's far better to replace them than mess about cleaning and re-greasing them. They don't cost much. And the next thing is this swinging arm. Honestly, a pint of water lived in there. That was a bit of a shock. I've seen water in swing arms before, but never that much. That's insane. And it's black. It's not red rusty, it's black. So that makes me not so worried. If that had been thick with rust flakes, I might have been looking for a new swing arm because it's rotting its way out. All swing arms, if they get water inside them, they can rot out. It's nasty. Certain bikes are synonymous for it, but this isn't one of them, and that's a ridiculous amount of water. Anyway, a couple of drain holes will get drilled underneath, so that doesn't happen again, and I will fill it up inside with wax oil, so that also prevents it getting any worse, even if it's just moisture. So that's it. In the next video, let's deal with some surgery on this swing arm. Got some holes to weld up, got some threads. That one snapped off. That one's probably gonna snap off, so I'll sort out the threads, weld up those holes, drill some more holes, and get it ready for paint. I'll see you then.